Hey everyone, how are you doing? So before I start with the actual video, I just wanted to catch up a little bit with you and to mention that I actually started working, and that's why it's very hard for me to make videos in the same time. It's like it takes time, but I will do my best, of course, because I like doing videos. And wow, I forgot what it is working every day and being so tired. I'm literally exhausted. Like, for instance, I'm working sometimes 8 hours and it feels like I was working 16 hours and I'm so exhausted. And just my face expressions tells you everything. Not to mention how much time I spent waiting for the bus, my favorite thing to do. And yeah, especially when it's raining, and this happened to me actually. The first day after work, I went to the bus station and there was like this very intense rain outside, and I waited for the bus 20 minutes. And then I was wearing mask, of course, and then because I had only 10 pounds, the bus came and the driver actually told me that I need the exact same amount of money for the ticket because they don't have change. So he didn't let me go inside and I had to go find a shop. Did I mention about the rain? I had to go find a shop and get some change. So I went all the way back to the bus station and I waited more 20 minutes and I was all wet because of the rain. Oh my god. And then the bus came actually. It's just these days it feels like my bus relationship is deeper than this one with my boyfriend, because actually I'm spending a lot of time waiting for the bus or being in the bus, and especially sometimes I need to change to different buses, so this is a lot of time wasting, you know what I mean. Yeah, that's another point of view. But anyways, by the way, I dyed my hair purple. I don't know, is it cool? I mean, I kinda like it, but in the same time I feel like it makes me look a little bit older. I mean, I'm old obviously, but it's just like, let's just not talk about age. Intro. So this is how it looks like with my hair down. Don't know if it's visible on the camera, but today I'm trying, actually I'm not very good with explanation, so this might be like all over the place, but I'm gonna try to explain it as much as I can. So as it is summer already, even though it doesn't feel like this here in Manchester, I actually decided to try this Lovely Wovington fake natural tan. This one actually is gradual tan. I got as well the bronze shimmer and the applicator mitt. I have like one open here, so I'm using this one for now. I got this self-tanning gradual tan because it lasts longer. It's actually building the color of your body. I got this gradual tan in shade dark and the bronze shimmer in shade ultra dark for maximum intensity. So the Gradual 10 actually is enriched with antioxidants, acai berry and coffee extract, and it smells amazing. I just love the smell. And yeah, this one is buildable for daily use. So actually the Gradual 10 contains already moisturizer, but it's good to actually moisturize the dry areas on your body in advance, like for instance your elbows, your knees and your ankles, because these are the dry areas of your body. If you don't want to look patchy, you just need to moisturize a little bit more. As a advice, I forgot to tell as well that usually I use this every 2-3 days or something like this, and usually I shower and exfoliate my body before applying the Gradual 10. And the bronze shimmer actually is bronze shimmer luminous cream for instant color and natural glow. Is most likely for special occasion or something, sometimes not, but usually this kind of deepen your color. And this bronze shimmer actually has these like small like shimmer pigments that makes your skin a little bit more glowy, and is enriched with aloe vera, which is gonna make your skin feel more like silky. If you apply on some areas that you don't really like, you can cover a little bit any imperfections, let's say. And yeah, and it has this soft focus effect, so if you don't feel comfortable with some areas of your body, you can apply this. It seems like more glowy your skin, and this one as well smells amazing as the other one, and it has this like, and it's like golden color. I don't know if you can see, and when you actually apply it, oh my god, amazing. And usually now I'm not gonna apply it. I haven't applied this like I think only once, because usually I'm not going nowhere, so nowhere special I mean, and I'm just like saving this for when I'm going to the beach or somewhere special. So anyways, what I'm going to be doing actually in this video is I'm going to show you like each day how I'm applying the products and with the applicator mitt, like my baby. And this one is very smooth as well, very nice. I'm gonna insert like small videos of me applying the products on my body and showing you the results actually. And I think I have done this like 5 times every 2-3 days, so this means like about 2 weeks I've been doing this, and to see the difference, because as you can see I'm very pale usually. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I had to mention this as well, because I'm not promoting something. This is like my honest review. So I'm going to start out with the first day. Actually, I filmed this and I saw that I haven't even recorded this, so I have to do it again. But anyways, so the first day, this is how I look the first day. I'm gonna insert the picture here or here, I don't know now. So yeah, this is the pictures of me without any product on my body. And then, as I mentioned, I apply this cream on my dry areas, like my ankles, my elbows, my knees, like only dry areas. This is very important.
Of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of.
And as well, I apply this golden color on the applicator, and I apply the product on my chest, on my hands, arms and my stomach, and don't forget to apply it as well on your neck, because believe me, you don't want to miss that one. And
Oh, my darkest memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do it all 'cause I'm feeling so good. What's on the other side of inhibition?
then, as I said, I use this thing for my back because it was easier to apply the product there.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same.
And then, because I was very excited actually to try the bronze shimmer as well,
Yeah, for my broken
I used the bronze shimmer and I applied this on my chest. It's not that visible on the video, or maybe it's the camera, but in real life you can notice the difference, so yeah.
What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh. I do it all 'cause I'm feeling so good.
And then, so I'm looking here because I'm looking at my laptop and my footage, so actually I separated the videos. So the second day, this is how I'm looking after applying the products, after like 2 or 3 days. And then, of course, I used cream on my dry areas. As I said, this is very important.
Oh, my darkest memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do it all 'cause I'm feeling so good.
And here as well I see that like I used a little help. I applied the gradual tan on my face as well here, and because I applied it with my hands, so actually I had to wash my hands very well. Then day 3, this is how I look, and day I moisturized.
'Cause you make me love my imperfections. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition?
And then here I applied only the gradual tan. Everywhere, all over my body.
I got enough of every
I was trying to apply this on my stomach. And then the 4th day, actually, this is me after applying the products after 2-3 days. I used as well only the gradual 10 as I was not going nowhere, and I moisturized as usual.
Memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue.
I would say this is very easy to use. It takes only like 5 minutes, and all you need to do is to wait for 1 minute before you put the clothes on, or like even it's not transferring to the sheets when you sleep, so very nice actually. And on the 5th day you can see like big difference.
They all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side. Inhibition, no apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so cool.
As you can see, the results are absolutely stunning, so I would like to make a vow.
I, Simon Kosovo, will take you, loving time, to be my husband. I promise to give you the best of myself. I will respect you as your own fake time and realize that your interests and desires are no less important than my own. I will share my time, my attention, and bring joy to our relationship. I promise to keep myself fresh, moisturized, and exfoliated to you. To let you see through the pores of my skin into my secret imperfections. I will do my part to keep our relationship alive, exciting, and developing. To have and hold you from this day forward for better for worse, in sickness and death, to love and cherish you till death do us apart.
I pronounce you for wife and husband. You can kiss each other.